Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. So let me introduce myself. My name is Fatami. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Tangerang, fourth semester in English education. So today I'll talk about nervousness. Nervousness is referred from cerebral mind. Nervousness is a natural reaction felt by a person, including feel of fear, worry, or anxiety. This is normal if you the first time speak English in front of many people. Next, please. Nah, you just need tips to overcome nervousness. Tips you can apply in your life for overcome nervousness. The first tips is through preparation. Nervousness often stems from feeling unprepared. Like when your speech well determine point you want to convey. Then practice your speech several before a big day, either in front of mirror, friend, or by recording yourself. And get to know your audience so you can adapt your speech to suit them. And second tips is practice regularly. Practice is the key reducing nervousness and increasing confidence. So, like practice in front of friends or family to feel more comfortable. Then try speaking in small group or in class to get confidence. And you can use visual aids as slide to help you stay focused. And the last tip is breathing preparation. Okay. Like pause during your speech while speaking, pause or for a moment, but take a breath. Just slow, you just need to take a breath and your material is clearing. So next slide please. Conclusion. Nervousness can be managed in several ways, such as through preparation, regular practice, and positive things, and controlling to help the body relax. So it is important. So this is for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.